Welcome to Lingala Institute. This YouTube channel is my second YouTube channel. My main Lingala channel is called Lingala Institute. On this channel, I will be uploading once a day. On the other channel, I upload on the 1st and the 16th of every month. On today's lesson, we'll be learning a few sentences and some vocabularies. Our first sentence is Papa awa toza wapi, which is Sir, where are we? Papa awa toza wapi. Sir, where are we? Mvula means rain. Our second sentence is Esalaki pasi mingi na mvula oyo ebetaki lobi na 20 heure. Esalaki pasi mingi na mvula oyo ebetaki lobi na 20 heure. What it means is, it rained yesterday at 8 p.m. and the rain left a huge disaster. Our third sentence is Esalaki maman na ba incident. Esalaki maman na ba incident. The translation is, there were huge incidents. There were huge incidents. Now we move on to vocabularies. Mvula means rain. Mbula also means rain. Mbula means year as well. Mvula Rain, Mbula Rain, Mbula Year. Mbula oyo, this year. Mbula oyo, this year. Mbala Potato, Mbala Potato. Mbuma Grain, Mbuma Grain. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thanks a lot.